Hi, my name's John Storn. I'm the service director here at Stanley Chevrolet Buick. Today I'm going to go over the 5 top tips on basic maintenance items on your vehicle. One of the key things are, especially up north here, is we have a lot of fluctuation in tires between winter, summer, hot, cold. So one of the things to do is inside your door jamb, from the factory, they actually post what they call your tire pressure, or PSI. It's located right here on this placard here. On this one is 35 PSI for the front, 35 PSI for the rear, and 60 PSI for the spare tire. Sometimes on bigger trucks, you'll see a fluctuation. Some may be 60 or 85 in the rear, but that is always a key thing to go by. So what I'm going to do here is loosen up the valve stem, connect the end of the air line here. This one happened to be digital, and as you can see, even at this one is at 32.3 psi. So I just want to go ahead and adjust this to 36 right there. Go ahead and tighten that, put the valve stem back on, and you're good to go. Next, I'm going to go over some key things to check for maintenance under the hood. I'm going to go ahead, if you follow me. So right underneath the dash, majority of them are located right here on the left side. You pull down on this lever and walk around up front. And this one seems to be very user-friendly. It's a lever you just slide to your left, folds open. Here are a couple things that you want to check. One, your battery. A lot of times this time of year we get a lot of phone calls or people having trouble with starting. One thing when you're looking at replacing your battery is to look at this number here. This is what they call cold cranking amps. This one is a 730, so it is a heavier duty battery for this type of temperature. 2 things you want to check here is your washer fluid. This one's located up front. Just pop the cap open, fill up as needed. The other is your coolant. This is at the proper level. As you can see, you don't want to go too full, but definitely if you get a low coolant message, you want to make sure that that is at this proper level. Another thing we're going to do is make sure that your oil is at the proper level. So you pull up on this yellow lever here, and you want to be in between those 2 hash marks. Yeah. The last thing we're going to touch base on is wiper blades. Especially around this time of year, they start to streak a lot. This one, you pull up on this lever here. So once you pull that up, the wiper blades simply just slide forward and out. So that's 5 basic maintenance tips to properly maintain your vehicle during this winter time. Thank you for joining me today. Please like and subscribe.